we got a lot of room in, and you guys rate it 1 to 10. How you like it? We're gonna go see me and my boy Franco. Dale. Ella da mi amigo raining. Hey. Like I said earlier, komol am yang campo do alo yenga. Juan Ran, you can understand about number Juan Ramajo, YouTuber. Number Juan. So come here, Joe, you follow me on YouTube. Now quit up, Colem. Alright, man. 522. Right here, friend. Come on, we got it going on. Where did y'all go? Alright, we here, chat. We are here. Pull out the key. Alright, let's see what we got. We're gonna go check out the room. Alright, kami yang tutupan na. Tok. Oh yeah, it is nice, man. Hey, me, I like staying at Motel 6. I save a lot of money. I stay with the gringos. Hey, they spend a lot of money. I like saving money. I don't care. Bad is bad. I sleep on the ground, you know. From the Marshall Island, Nicaragua, we sleep on the ground, man. That bed, no problem for us, man. But hey, come on. Wait, you turn the light on. Ain't got no light on. Yeah, ain't got no light. Yeah, see, that's what it. Oh, hey, it's big though. Like the roof, it's big. I never. Yeah. Usually, I've been to hotel rooms. I mean, the roof don't look this big. It look big. Bueno, hey, good morning, Franco. Good morning, we're gonna make more videos tomorrow because we're going to the restaurant. I spent a lot of money. I need to make it back tomorrow. So you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you don't share this video, I'm gonna get Franco come to your house and take your phone. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve your phone. If you're not subscribed to me on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you don't deserve your phone. You need to turn your phone off, throw it in the ocean, okay? But if you subscribe to me, thank you very much. I love you. You're the best. You're the best in the world, man. You're the best. Number one. Don't forget about it. You're number one. Thank you. Gracias. Como dada, thank you. And we love you. I'm out. Cheese.